I don't keep my orchids in a peat substrate. This method prevents them from rotting and getting sick. New leaves and flower buds grow as a result. Remove the orchid from the substrate and clean its roots. They should be clean to avoid transferring mold from the soil. Take a transparent pot or vase. You'll also need a styrofoam egg carton. Use scissors to cut it into small pieces. Since the carton is designed for food storage, it's safe for your plants. This foam absorbs and retains water very well. The orchid will always have slightly moist, not wet roots, which will protect it from rotting. Once you've filled the bottom of the vase, place the orchid in it. Holding it with one hand, fill the container with styrofoam. It should be dense enough around the plant to keep it stable. When planting the orchid, remember that its roots need access to light, so pay attention to this. Next, fill the vase with water. It's best to use soft water, such as distilled or boiled water, not straight from the tap. Leave the orchid for half an hour. After this time, pour out most of the water. The orchid only needs a little water at the bottom of the pot. Finally, I trim the orchid stems, ensuring there are no flowers or dry stems left. I sprinkle cinnamon on the cuts. Cinnamon has antifungal properties. This helps the stem seal nicely and encourages new shoots to grow. If the stem was diseased, cinnamon will prevent further mold or fungus development. It also helps prevent drying out. After a few weeks, you can see new buds and flowers appearing on the branches.